We are the Team Prouds. And we are the Team Cons. Yay! Alright, so we're here on the debate of the nanotech. So we can see on the right side the pro. Right. On the left side, we can see the group of cons. The battle begins. Round 1.
Nanotech is ready to full of might. Para small but terrible, lahat kaya i-fight.
Maliit nga, pero grabe ang impact. Pwede kang makasama, and that's a scary fact.
Nanotech targets sickness with precision. Parang sniper lang sa mission, walang supply, walang collision.
Nanotechnology in your body, ayoko niyan, parang toxic chismis, pumaspaso kahit ayaw, biglaan kasi yan eh.
Maduming tubig, kaya naman i-purify yan. Dumi sa ilog, kami magbubuhat ng goodbye. Nanotech to hindi ka namin ipipitray doon.
No regulations, nako naman, bakit tayong sugal sa technology na walang maayos na plano?
Risk, oo. Pero progress to bro. Walang tagumpay kung puro kayo ayoko. Nanotech saves lives. Yun ang totoo.
Pero, courage without controls is insane and ridiculous. Paano na-fail yung nano? Goodbye lamps, goodbye brain, goodbye body.
So now, let's move on to the GMO debates. Likewise, in the right side, we have the pros. On the left side, we have the cons. Round 2 fight.
Ang GMO plants matibay sa bagyo, parang gulay na may superpower. Kahit init o ulan, still ready to grow. Future crops na tunay na hero.
Pero hindi yan laruan. Pag nagkamali ka ng edit, ayan na kaibigan. Natural kalaban, hindi mo mababawi yan. Isang sablay, buong mundo ang nakabangan.
Sa GMO, let's press more food. Ayan ang sagot. Farmer wins big, hindi sila lago sa pagod.
If GMO plants mix everywhere, natural plants vanish like air.
Golden rice, help it stay bright. May betan agad, blow up overnight.
At corporations control the sea. Wala kang bayad, wala kang fee.
Tested to, check to, legit sa science. Hindi ka gagawang takot o fake compliance. Kung may hunger crisis, ito ang alliance. GMO bring hope, hindi defiance.
Tested nga, pero long term. Sino magpapatunay? Baka gulay na next week, marunong nang sumayaw na parang buhay. Future unknown, yan ang tunay. GMO is power, pero risky ang sumablay.
Science is power, innovation is key. Kung may nanotech o GMO, the world grows free.
Use them right, gamitin ng tama. Future is brighter, para sa lahat, hindi drama.
Pero safety first, hindi lahat rush. Hindi lahat ng bagong technology ay dapat i-push.
Congress ay malaki, wag muna tayo. Earth and health first.
Yan ang panalo.